it. Either you use your hand or you can use makeup brush. You apply this recipe on your face. You apply it very well. You apply it all over your face. You can as well apply it on your neck. Apply it all over your skin. So after applying it, you leave it to dry up. Then you wash it off. If you wake up in the morning, you see how your skin will be. You get rid of wrinkles, pigmentation, and you get a flawless skin. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching me from Facebook, please like my page and also follow my page. If you're watching me from YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much once again, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.